What's up everyone, welcome you guys to my second vlog. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine in your home. I am having night shift today and yesterday also I was having night, so after this 2 nights I'll be having 2 off. So guys, as I'm sure you might be knowing that due to COVID the departures from the airports are hampered. So I got an hour to relax in between. So I thought why not to explain you what I learned today and yesterday. So guys, starting from the very basic thing, if you are receiving any aircraft in a bay, then what should we do? First of all, before the aircraft arrives to your bay, we should ensure that there is no FOD, like we should do the FOD inspection in the bay. After that, we have to marshal the aircraft and bring it to the stopping point. Don't approach the aircraft before the beacons are being offed by the captain or the first officer. Second thing, there is something called acoustic coating in the inlet of an engine, and it is there in the 320 Neo. There is a CFM LEAP 1A engine, and this acoustic coating in the inlet of the engine is given to reduce the noise level. So guys, today when my shift began, I was allotted to the ATR 72-600 aircraft, and I have assisted the engineers and my mentor to perform the layover inspection. Can't explain the whole procedure of doing the layover inspection. What I'll do is, in my next video or any of the upcoming videos, I'll upload the soft copy of the ATR 72-600 aircraft's layover inspection procedure if I am able to do so. I don't promise you guys because if I'll get only, I'll upload it in my video, so you can get it from there. That's it.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Going to be a very astonishing journey of 6 months. Just started yesterday night. 5 months and 28 days more to go. So I'll upload my videos and it will be informative one. If you guys want to know something regarding the procedures, what an aircraft maintenance engineer does, and so my main motto is to share my experience of these 6 months with all the aspirant aircraft maintenance engineers mainly, and give them a virtual experience like thing. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video and found this video a bit informative, then give it a thumbs up. Share this video with all the aspirant aircraft maintenance engineers so that they can also experience this. Really, I'll get to learn a lot of things and I'll be uploading those in my videos. So to get the virtual experience, stay tuned in my channel.